Hi, I'm Valentina. Welcome back. Today we are unboxing and trying on 3 different pairs of shoes by the brand called VIVAIA. VIVAIA is a high quality and eco-friendly brand that makes their shoes out of recycled plastic bottles. How cool is that? Not only that you are wearing beautiful and comfortable shoes, but you're also helping Mother Nature. Let me show you the pairs that I have chosen. I'm going to start with the biggest box. The boxes are recycled as well, of course. And there, if you choose to purchase, if you like, like some of these, there will be a discount code Valentina12 for 12% off for the first 3 days, so today, tomorrow, and the day after. And after that, it's going to be 10%. I will leave all the info down below in the description, so you'll be able to find exactly what I chose and their website and all of the other details. So all 3 pairs that I chose are going to be very summery, so they are all perfect for summertime. There it is. Ooh, these are my favorite pair, the first ones. Well, I have to unbox all of them to see if they are still gonna be from what I have seen online. Look at this beauty. So this model is called Christina, and this is actually the newer model. How gorgeous are these? So the older model had, like the classic Christina, had the satin finish right here, and these have this new kind of like breathable net fabric right there, which is going to be perfect for this summer. I love this shade of cream, and also I really like that it's a square on the toes right here, and they are actually pretty well padded, so I think they're going to be very comfortable. I will try them in just a moment. Look at these gorgeous details, double laces. How cute is this? They are so pretty, foldable, and you can wash them in a washing machine, which is great because you can't really wash these types of shoes usually in the washing machine, at least not the ones that I've had so far. Here they are together. They're so gorgeous. Let's try them on.
The insole of these shoes feels like real leather, and the mesh makes you feel like you're walking barefoot on the clouds. It was a strange feeling to wear these shoes that feel like you're walking barefoot, but you're not. You have this amazing support. I got all of these pairs in size 39 European, which is my regular size, so they are true to size, and these were so comfy.
Moving on to the second box, let's see. Okay. Oh, it's the cat shoes. Here we have, there is the little kitty. These are called Audrey, and as you can see, they have this beautiful embroidered cat right here on the toes. I just thought that these were so original, and these are also foldable. Let me just remove this. Ooh, and they are very nicely padded. There's this little extra cushion on the heel and one right here in the front. I love this color. It's like a mustard yellowy, and then the cat I don't know if this is like the mustache of a cat or something else, but these are such fun little details. Actually, the color kind of matches my t-shirt, and I don't usually wear these types of shoes because in my experience, they tend to be quite uncomfortable. So when I saw that these are pretty well cushioned, I decided to try these. Let's see how they fit me.
These feel very light on the feet, but at the same time, they have this very nice, very good support on the heels. You can absolutely feel it. These are machine washable as well, and there are more than 10 different patterns on the website with different motifs like butterflies, koalas, puppies, etc. All kinds of different colors, and I'll link my favorites in the description, but they're all so pretty and so fun.
And the last pair right here, I know which ones these are. Yes, I was really curious about this color. So look at this beauty. These are sandals, perfect for hot weather with these gorgeous butterfly details. Look at that on the top. Okay, so these are not foldable, okay? They are sandals after all, but they are, as you can see, very nice support right there. And they also have a moisture wicking insole, which is great. And they are a little bit elevated right there, as you can see. So I loved this buttery yellow color. Just grab the other one. Here they are together. So feminine. The color is so soft. They have the logo right there on the sides. They seem to be comfortable. I will try them in a moment. But for sandals, I've never had anything so padded before, so I'm looking forward to try these. Anyway, I love the color and the little butterflies. I'm sure I will be wearing these so many times this summer.
Besides the buttery yellow color, these are also available in powder pink and in black. They also have the arch support, which makes them very comfortable, and the fabric in the front feels really nice on the skin. I love the color and the cute little butterfly details.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you VIVAIA for sending these to me. I loved all three pairs. If you are going to purchase something from their website, there's so many different options, colors, models, variations. Don't forget to use my coupon code. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.